as you can see, it is angled up. It is on right now. I have water going so it doesn't break it. Turning it off. My finger is down. See the off? It's on. Keep it right here. It's been turning on and off. There it goes. I'm watching it. I just watched it turn itself up, guys. I honestly just watched it. Come here.
Come on, Case.
Come watch it turn itself on. Okay, I have it down. We're watching it right now. We've had tape on it all day. It's going up right now. So there it is for all of you that we are not lying. We're debating on taping it while we do the Ouija board, because we got a Ouija board tonight. Brand new, never been used, no other spirits. Gar's puzzle just turned back on. Turning it off again. Alright, let's light a candle. Marley is in the bedroom right now whining. I'm going to go ahead and open up the doors so I can make sure I can hear her. Okay, she stopped whining. Okay, let's light the candle.
Hold on, I'm trying to see how to bless the sage.
We're about to bless the house with sage right now.
Guys, it just keeps doing it. Come look, Casey just... I know, I saw it.
Okay, it says to light a white candle during the process because it can attract one spirit better.
Turning off the lights?
Let me see how dark it is without... No, we'll keep this light on.
You need to turn the light on. Because the only thing that should be lit is the candle. Yeah.
I can't see.
Guys, turn the oven light on for right now.
Go ahead, yeah, turn the oven light on.
Are you taping it down or no?
Casey? No?
No, because we want to see if it'll go. Like, if it is, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, maybe it'll stop.
Go ahead and turn off the kitchen light. Okay, I'm turning this off again.
Alright, I'm going to read this about the sage so you guys know what we're doing. The use of sage is for healing. The smoke is used to bless, cleanse, and heal the person or object being smudged. Sage is used to wash off the outside world when one enters ceremony.